What? She said amp like electricity. AMP.
Wait. Don't do me like that.
Can you please do a 360?
Yeah, right there. Dang! Like, I'll be peeing on it. Like, I want to piss you up, like, piss on your mouth or something.
Alright. This is actually
when I'm alone in my room, sometimes I stare at my wall and in the back of my mind, I hear my conscience call.
Yo, David, what's up, brother?
Hey, what's up, Catching that? Robotic?
Yo, David, can you want some bitches say
Can y'all hear it or should I turn it up?
I don't know if I want bitches.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Excellent, nice to meet you. David.
Good.
What's your name?
Marissa.
Marissa.
You said David?
Mm-hmm.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
I just moved here from Cleveland, Ohio.
Okay.
I live in Atlanta now.
Mm-hmm.
I am an aspiring actress.
Sorry, by the way, if I'm like jolting back and forth, it's because I'm literally, this is what I'm playing with my dog, who won't leave me alone. Go get it. So, just so y'all know.
I'm a screenwriter.
Okay.
Fun fact about Marissa.
That's pretty much about me.
She is a great singer.
Wait, what was it? Hit that? What is that? What does this rip mean?
Yo, it's that cringe. You react to it, but it's that cringe.
So you take it back like you didn't mean to back me up?
I didn't mean to do that.
Okay, well, we'll just pretend like it didn't happen then, okay?
Okay.
We'll just cut it off.
Okay.
So continue telling me about yourself. It was a pleasure meeting you, ma'am. Yeah.
I don't want to shake your hand.
Okay. I don't want to have a conversation with you no more.
You need to grow more facial hair and get a haircut.
Bro, no way. No way.
I don't know why she did
crazy.
it, because she don't know what the fuck going on, because she's dumb.
Why you smiling already for? Like, damn.
It's like hella quiet.
How you doing?
August. This nigga tweaking. Like, he really thinks someone's in here. No one's in here. Stop. Go play with my sock. You want to play with my sock? Go play with my sock. Jeez. I had to give... Okay.
Hi, Maddie. Nice to meet you.
I'm Kai.
Nice to
I
meet you.
had to give this dog my sock to leave me alone. I'm not kidding. My dog, y'all, I don't know if y'all saw the table move. My dog started humping my leg. My dog just started humping my leg. I'm not kidding. He just started humping my leg. What the heck? I literally... Okay. I'm just trying to watch the video, man. Like, damn. Ugh.
Where you from?
New Jersey, Newark.
Where? I'm from New York.
Oh,
She wants a bed.
You ever been over there?
Give him a
yeah.
bed.
Really?
It's like Newark is 15 minutes away.
Like the neighbors type
Yeah,
shit.
that's where we go to have fun.
So why you in Atlanta? What made you come to Atlanta?
My acting career.
Word? You know how to act?
Something
Okay.
like that.
You know, I want to get into that, you know?
Yeah.
But I feel like I got to just find the right people, know the right
Oh, no.
things to do, and like...
I'm about to beat this dog up. Not actually. I don't hurt dogs. But, August, be for real. He's just trying to get him some, like, leg, I guess. Like, what the heck? Here. Go on. Had to
How to
give him the
audition
other
and shit
song.
like that. I really want to get into that.
Okay.
I see you got some nice tattoos.
Too damn many.
She's obsessed with cleanliness. So I say Kai has a hoarding problem. She might, you know what I'm saying?
That ain't.
Hey, fun fact, so Constantine has a hoarding problem.
I mean, come on, do I look like a nigga that... Yo, why you doing that? What the fuck?
Damn.
Bro, are you trying to sabotage a nigga? Like, that's sabotage right there.
I can't. One of my fun facts is that I'm like overly clean. Like I'm.
Me too. I'm a
obsessed with
hygienic nigga. I
cleanliness.
get my nails done and shit. Like, I'm really hygienic. You really believe that?
I heard dust.
Wow. So I can get your number?
I heard dust.
They did him so wrong. He was pulling.
He was lying, though.
I don't think they're lying.
Damn, all right. Oh, nice to meet
Bummer.
you.
Nice to meet you.
Hope you enjoy your next day.
Hope you clean your dust off of your boxes and stuff.
I don't got dust in my
Oh, shit.
boxes.
Okay.
Hey, it was him, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It was him. Word to my dad. Word to my... Nah, y'all... No.
How you doing?
Hi, Maddie.
Nice to meet you. My name is Vaughn.
Vaughn.
So what do you do?
I'm an actress.
Got you.
What
I'm
do
in
you do?
construction.
Oh, okay. Dope.
Let's cut the small talk.
Okay.
You eat ass?
Huh? Do I eat ass? Absolutely.
No way.
not. That's disgusting. Do you eat ass? You want somebody to eat your ass? Child, bring this light on.
Did he get it first?
Did he get it first? That was crazy. Why was he even in there?
Why you look like that?
Like what?
Like you mad at me. What's your name?
Big Jazz, the
What?
flexer. Big Jazz.
I can't hear you.
Big Jazz, the motherfucking flexer.
Okay, what you flexing?
Everything. What you flex?
Nothing.
She's a proud Benz owner. That's what she flexes.
You said what?
What Benz you got?
Don't play with it.
What Benz you got?
AMG.
What AMG you got?
Don't worry about it. Like, I don't.
The fuck?
That's crazy. She didn't even know. I wouldn't know either, but that can't be your fun fact. Like, I have a Tesla. If my Tesla was my flex, I know, like, what type of Tesla. Here goes my dog again. I'm about to put you outside. Y'all want me to put him outside? Do y'all want me to put him outside? Because he's doing too damn much. Too damn much. He's biting my toe. He's going outside. Now, I'm gonna show y'all him first. Hold up. Get your little... Now, why are you running away now? Because you don't want to be exposed on stream. This is the culprit. This is the one biting my toes, humping my leg. Now, he's going outside for some alone time. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know why he's sleeping. Because he's about to start barking outside. Yip, yap, yap. I cannot. He's biting my toes. He's biting my toes. Okay.
What you play? Flex your V, like.
I was going with shit first.
You don't know what Benz you got?
I was just.
Hey, why did you pass up on Jasmine?
She don't know what Benz she got. It's her first time coming to my house. Why you make that face?
Because you're not cute.
What the fuck? You not cute, eh?
Why would this be me? Like, I'd be so disappointed if I walked up and, like, didn't, like, saw someone I didn't think was attractive. I'd be like, damn, you're just not cute. But I wouldn't say it out loud.
Damn.
Cute.
So I'm ugly to you?
No, just not my type.
So what's your type? You're not really my type either.
I know.
Why you say that?
Because I'm a little bit more masculine than you are.
I'm stronger than you.
You are?
Yeah.
Prove it. Let's arm wrestle.
I bet.
I want some bullshit.
Fill him up.
That's crazy. That's crazy. They didn't have to play him like that. Bummer. The way that there's someone in here, I love dogs, just followed me as I like am yelling about my dog eating my toes. That just takes me out. I'm
Name?
Sarah.
Sarah? Okay. Where you from?
I'm from Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. You speak,
Yeah.
you know how to speak Espanol?
Sí.
Okay, then don't stop me, negra.
Wait, this is me, bro. This is fucking me. You speak Espanol? See? Like, people ask me if I speak French, I'm like, oui.
Amigo! So, like, what do you do? Like, what you into?
So I'm in college. I have a lash business. You know, I do
Period.
improv on the side.
Okay.
You know, stuff like
Okay.
that.
How you like in the last business thing right now?
Right now it's been good, but I've been really focusing on my serving job.
Can we get an improv, like, on the spot right now?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah! Wait, hold on. Wait. Somebody behind you.
Who? Yeah! What's happening?
No. Let's go ahead and improv.
Okay. So what do y'all want me to do? Like, give me a topic, something.
Let's do like something like something like freaky or some shit.
Oh.
Yeah, like I'm locked up in the room type shit, like, and I don't like you on some freaky shit, on some role play shit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, babe.
What's
How
good?
you doing?
What's good? How you doing?
How was work?
Oh.
Who's the cutest AMP member? Kai. For sure.
Shit, shit, work was good and shit.
Okay, you want a massage?
Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. So shit, you tryna fuck?
What?
Not Duke. Oh. Wait. Oh. I don't know. I think maybe Duke. Wait, should I look him up real quick? Y'all, hold up. We gonna pause this. Intermission. Duke. What's his last name? Like Dennis? Am I tripping? Ooh, I pressed age. I just don't know if this is my type of guy. Like, I think Kai. I'm going with Kai. I think Kai's better.
Yeah, you want to?
Okay, alright, yo, whoever coming in next is coming in next. Come on, we, you know what I'm saying? Let's go.
He said I got my girl. Slide.
Let me go.
Alright, go ahead.
For 70K.
Here goes Duke.
Shit. How you doing, man?
Oh, you gonna marry me?
I say that. I'm from South Carolina, so like
South
manners.
Carolina?
Where
What
you
part
from?
of South Carolina?
I'm from Greenville.
Greenville?
Yeah. Hey, nah, don't do that yet. Let me talk. Green mean like it's a go. But I don't wanna.
Fun fact about her, she got scammed for $70,000.
Damn!
70K?
How the fuck do you get scammed for 70,000?
I was investing
Oh, you got
in
a
a
pretty
business.
smile, though.
Thank you, you do too.
Yeah, for sure.
Like VVS is what Megan say.
Yeah.
A nigga with a mouthful of VVS's is my type of dude.
Do that apply?
That was hot. I'm straight. Wait, I'm straight, but that was hot. Like what she just did, I might steal that one. That was hot. What'd she say? That was hot.
Huh?
Okay.
I mean, I have never had it.
What? Damn, wait. Don't do me like that. Let's say that real quick, all right? 70 bands.
I got scammed. He was a businessman. I thought
Got your motherfucking ass.
I thought he was about it. I'm new to Atlanta, land of the scams. And I gave him 70 bands
Land of the scams. Good to know.
because I was supposed to be flipping my money.
You got it like that.
Not anymore.
Had it. You had it like that.
Gone.
But I like you still, you know what I'm saying, got high spirits and shit, right? How was that working out though?
70K is. I would be so. I'd be so sick. Sick to my stomach.
How is it working out?
Like, I mean, other than the fact that you got hit for 70 of them things.
I mean, I still pay my Benz note.
Is that ATL made her buy a Benz?
Yeah, my
and she was
Benz.
looking for someone to cover it.
I'm looking for somebody to pay the bill because I got scammed for 70 bands and I got a Benz and I work, but I take care of me. I need some.
Wait. I work. Okay. All right.
Somebody to take care of me too.
So,
Sir, is that you?
huh?
Is that you?
What, am I gonna pay for your motherfucking Benz? Oh, cause I like you can.
I mean, but do you want to go?
Is that you? I don't know.
It's Taco Tuesday and we can talk about it.
After this, you fuck.
Is you fucking up?
Who the fuck is asking? I don't know what them VVS is gonna do. What them VVS is gonna do?
Come on, man. I feel like you already know what. Like,
I don't know. Let me see.
Come on.
Let me see some tongue work. Let me see you put your tongue out of your mouth and show me what you gonna do.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. No. What? Don't do my man like this. What?
damn. But we can leave right now. Like,
Let's go.
hey, come here. This way, man. If I call this way, man. God damn, man.
That was fire. I like her. I like
You paid for that shit. You that nigga. Hey, hold on. That bitch was twerking? What you did? You bought that bitch on birthday!
Deeply nourish your skin for all.
I'm dead. No, that was fire. I like He's tapping that. She might type it for real. I'm dead. Yo, that was fire. I like her. Alright.
My name is Timothy.
Timothy?
Timothy Quintavious III. Where you from?
DC.
DC.
Oh.
See, what's your name?
Essence.
Essence. Got a real prominent figure, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I think I'm scared of you.
Why you scared?
Yeah.
Essence, can you please do a 360?
Right here?
Yeah, right there. Damn!
Period.
Is that a BBL?
Hell no.
It's real?
Yeah.
Can we test it?
Essence, can you please shake that shit?
Can you do like 2 jumps?
I'm dead.
Ow! One to go!
Slow-mo! I'm glad I covered that for Twitch at least, bro. You're tweaking! They slowed it down! God.
Okay. Hey, you from Yeah, it's cool. Where you? So you from Atlanta?
DC.
DC. What part of DC?
Your turn.
I don't even care. Like, you hear me?
No, I'm built like a twig. Like, y'all don't even wanna. I'm not even gonna waste y'all time. I'm not about that life, you know. Anyways, but I'm not even gonna waste y'all's time for real. It's just sad.
You like,
You from?
well, I'm from New York, the Bronx.
I get that.
You like that?
I get that.
Yeah, feisty shit.
Twig is
Whoa, what was that? Yeah. That's a fact. I like your smile.
Thanks.
What you do for fun?
Eat.
You eat. Word.
No, why are they doing him like this, bro?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Can I leave her? Oh, we out.
Why you wanna ask me if you can
We out.
leave
Oh,
with
come
me?
on. Oh, we good. Oh, come on. Oh,
Get him! Wait, come back!
How you doing?
Hi.
What's your name?
Jay.
Jay? What's going on, Jay?
I'm crying.
What's up? What you like to do?
I like to do everything.
Like, what's everything? You gotta list that shit out.
So I love being in front of a camera. I love to do YouTube. I love
Period.
to go out. I
That's
love to
fire.
dance.
That's fire. So you're not a shy person.
I'm not a shy person.
Okay.
I'm very outgoing.
Are you an extrovert?
I'm an extrovert.
Fire.
But I know how to be introvert too, though.
Fire.
So,
Okay.
you know,
Okay,
it's
you
a
know.
mixture of both.
Yeah.
Fun fact about Kai, he's 5'11" standing.
You're 5'11"?
5'11".
Okay, I'm 5 foot even, so I'm like.
Word?
Yeah.
Stand up real quick. Oh yeah, I could throw you in the air and leave you there. For
well,
sure, ski.
Yeah.
Isn't he like 5'6"? I'm tripping. Is he 5'6", chat?
For sure. So what's your type of niggas?
I like sweet ones.
Can you guys stand back to back?
Oh yeah, for sure we can. Yeah.
He's not even 5'6". She said she's 5 foot tall. Is he 5'2"? That's not 5'6". I'm 5'6" and like a half. I stand next to my mom. She's 5 foot, and they does not look like this. Chat, how tall is he? Don't make me look it up.
Motherfucking ass on my ass. See, back to back for sure. Nah, but
I like sweet,
He's
sweet ones.
5'4",
You know how to court a
5'3".
woman.
you like freaky niggas?
Yeah.
Word?
Hey, that's okay though. You know, short kings.
Like freaky? Cause I'm a freaky nigga.
Freaky.
Like I be peeing on bitches type shit. Like, I wanna
I
piss in your
haven't done that.
like piss on your mouth and type
Not
shit.
in my mouth. Not
Like-
in my mouth.
Okay, so like, what about eating? I like to eat ass and all
Oh
that
yeah.
shit. Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, we can get that.
All right. Okay. So I mean, shit. Like, all right.
Wait, Kai's dad's a low person? Wait, really? That's your man? Now that, height comes into play, Duke, I might just slide the other
All right.
way.
So, are you into like dark skins and shit?
Yes, I don't discriminate at all.
All right. So like, what would you rate me for 1 through 10 type shit?
I'll give you a 9.
Word.
Yeah.
All right, you're sexy ass.
Duke's how tall? Did you say 6'4"? 6'3"? Hey, how you doing?
What's your type?
Fun fact, Ty's been peed on 2 times.
That's a fact. I pissed on myself. Like, it was so crazy. Like I legit, like, I was trying to use the bathroom type shit, but like, I was laying down and the pee just like, like, it's just weird, like, how I was trying to use the bathroom type shit.
Y'all too fucking freaky, bro. Stop like.
Who is that?
A fucking hater?
He cop blocking.
You cop blocking, bro.
I'm dead.
Okay, y'all go back to peeing on each other. My bad.
He cop blocking.
Like, if you want to pee in her mouth, just say that, nigga.
Bummer. Yeah, she didn't really say no to that, how about, never mind, it says he's 6'2". You know, for me personally, you got that 6 foot plus, like, let's get it. Let's get it.
What?
Cause you telling me you're not nervous.
No, I had to let you know because I'm breathing mad. My name's
Damn.
Quintavious.
I'm Nikki.
Hey, Nikki.
Hi. Nice
Where you
to
from?
meet Philly.
Philly. Philly boy. Yeah. What part of Philly?
West Philly.
I got people in North Philly.
Fun fact about Nikki, she's not scared of anything.
That's cap.
Okay.
You're not scared of nothing in your life. There's nothing that you're scared of. So you're not God-fearing?
I am.
So then you scared of something?
I'm not scared of that. I fear God.
Okay.
It's a difference of being
How old are
scared.
you?
How old do I look?
Like 24.
Thank you.
Oh, good.
I'll be 30 in
I need, like, to go to these girls, like, confidence classes. This is so funny. 30, or what did he say, 24? Thank you. Like, girl.
Damn! My bad. Nah, my bad. Fuck.
Oh, yeah, that's where you coming. That's where you coming. That's where you coming.
Hey.
Wait.
Come on, bro. But why would you sit? That's why you always get injured. How the fuck would you sit?
She's pretty, right?
Hi. I'm Nikki.
Nikki.
Yeah.
Where you from, Nikki?
I'm from.
Y'all hear that? That's my dog.
I'm Philly.
Philly?
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Chris.
Chris.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Can you take your head off? I don't like being hatfish.
Did she just say hatfished? Hold up, chat. Did she just say hatfished?
You okay?
I got stage 4 machina and
What's that?
I don't really want to get into it because it's like something, I don't know, Nikki. It's like... Who hit it first?
I did.
Fuck!
Yeah,
Oh
emotional.
my God.
Why are you so emotional? I can't deal with that.
Damn,
This too much.
Get a new one. Get a new one. That's some bullshit. Get a new one. Did I not hit that first? I'll be honest.
Apologize.
I apologize. This is my hair.
Oh,
Okay.
All right. Why would you lie like that?
Nikki,
The violent
I didn't know you would like. I didn't know. I thought you was gonna be like, oh,
You
your hair
made
is
up a
fucked-
disease.
Your hair is fucked up. I don't want.
made up a disease. Nah, he's doing too much. He's doing way too much.
I don't want you no more. So I was just like, hold
So are you
on.
gonna lie to me if we like end up like really dealing with each other?
This is the last time I'm gonna lie to you.
Don't lie to me again.
I would never do that again.
Bye.
I promise. I apologize.
Bye.
I'm not
We
that type of
don't
nigga.
know.
Okay?
All right.
All right?
Okay.
Did you
And all that, don't do that.
I apologize.
Apologize to them people.
I'm sorry. sorry. I'm sorry. My heart, my limb.
You gonna start over?
Okay. Thank you. I apologize about that. Nice to meet you again. For sure. So I'm from Merlin.
Merlin.
Yeah. That's how we talk.
He's a pro actor. Oh, for real? I just don't really think he's funny.
But yeah, I'm basically I like nature and shit. I like
me
nature.
too.
Yeah. For real? For like, do you like hikes and shit?
Like hiking, fishing, like put the worm on there, catch the fish, what is it? Hook it, yeah.
Nikki, I really like your fucking aura.
Thank you.
Your aura is so fucking nice.
Thank you.
Like you seem so fucking peaceful. So I apologize about all that shit. That was crazy. Yes,
I
know.
wasn't feeling it.
Yeah, but I mean, like.
Are you bipolar?
A little bit. Not too bipolar. Just
why is he getting this much time? I just feel like we
a
should
little
be
bit, but
moving on.
you know what I'm saying. I hope you could love me for who I am.
Okay.
Because
I'm willing to give you a chance.
Thank you so much.
My dog is, y'all know the thing that like boing like that, like y'all know that the door thingy and like that. That's what he's hitting because he thinks it's a toy. He's like a cat.
You know what? This button shit is so stupid.
So what? Now that is.
Fun fact about him, he's an award-winning artist.
I do make music.
What kind of music?
I can sing, I can rap.
Let me hear you sing. Sing me a song.
Like,
I don't know how
usually I
much
don't be
this
like
It's
one of
okay.
the,
You could rap it. You could sing. You said you rap and sing. So whatever makes you comfortable.
Nah, I'm gonna sing to you. I'm the type of nigga that's like serenade. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna serenade to you. Really miss my nigga. What you name?
Where's the rest of it?
I said really miss my nigga. My nigga, what you say? What you say? I really miss my nigga. I really really miss my nigga. Really miss my nigga.
Why people y'all just say it? Really miss my nigga.
Okay, but you miss your nigga. What you mean you miss your nigga?
What?
Was
in the hospital bed?
In the hospital bed.
I said, nigga, are you dead?
I said, nigga, are you dead?
My nigga said, yeah.
Are you
And I said, no.
I said no.
Why you had to go? Reach out to my nigga, it's slow mo.
It's slow-mo. Oh my God.
Go red. From the singer to the background. Don't.
She's holding
Can
the
y'all get
button.
him out of here, please?
Got this. So go. Hey, try to get her number. Don't fuck it up. Nah, bro. Try to get her number. Dead ass.
She's like, can I press the button?
Ass, like dead ass. Go.
Honestly, she waited way longer than I would have. The second, like, after there's no coming back. After he hit the button off, you got anger issues, sir.
What you think, bro? Cameras is off right now, bro. Just go.
Please be normal. Please be normal. Please.
Normal.
Oh. Hi.
My name's Dean. Good to meet you.
Dean, I'm Nikki.
Nikki, good to meet you.
Oh, you seem like you got a strong, good hip.
All of that. You're begging for normal?
The last one was real emotional, a little bipolar, angry. He almost broke the thing.
Yeah. So what are you into?
Right now I model and I sell hair and lashes. So like, and these braids you see here, but it's not like fake hair. It's like virgin hair.
So you talking entrepreneur?
Yeah.
Okay, I can appreciate that.
Fun fact about Dean, he has a mansion with a helicopter pad on top, and he loves to support his partner's businesses.
W friends.
They didn't sound too sure about that, but
No, he's just,
I like
I think he's reading off a script. I'm not sure why.
I think like, you know, that's pretty cool or whatever, because I'm looking for somebody, but like, you know, I have a lot to offer.
Okay.
So I want my person to have a lot to offer.
Right.
It's not like you may have a lot to offer.
Period.
Yeah, that's the whole part of dating, getting to know each other.
How does she do her hair? Her hair looks so good.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
I like your hair.
Okay, appreciate it.
I like to get to know you. How old are you?
27.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you?
29.
Okay.
Not okay.
Is that weird?
No, but the person before the last person was like, damn. I was like,
That's so fucking
That's so
immature.
fucking rude.
I'm about to say, that's disrespectful, borderline.
Oh, no over here crushing on her. Like, get your girl. Go get your girl. Like, hit her up. Damn.
and like,
Well, he said that on camera?
yes.
That's fucked up.
He had to go.
How old you is?
I'll be 30.
Weezy, you could get your girl too. Y'all want her, go get her. Slide in her DMs talking about she bad, she bad, she bad. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. I'm not. What do y'all want me to do? Y'all slide in her DMs.
Damn! My bad. Nah, my bad. Fuck.
Oh, that's why you packed him? I'm about to say. Nah, that's personally me. I end up, I don't know why, I end up dating people usually older than me.
Jealous. I'm just telling y'all, shoot y'all shots. I ain't got nothing to be jealous of, child.
You sound mature.
That's probably what it is.
Yeah. I want to go on another date with
There goes my dog.
you.
Okay, here, let me get your number.
What's her at? Y'all, I don't know. What'd she say her name was?
I
Nikki?
bet. I'll
That's
send
my
you.
IG name too, by the way. You
Okay.
could call me Nikki or Nicole. Nicole's my real name.
Nikki,
Got
she
you.
bad.
All
I'll
right,
find it
bless.
for y'all.
Nice to meet you.
Hannah.
All right.
You took me out my shoes.
You good?
Yeah.
Oh, whoops. My bad, y'all. What'd y'all eat today? I had Chipotle. Today, Chick-fil-A. Yesterday, and Chipotle the day before.